Top of the morning, guys. Top of the morning, a beautiful morning. But guess what? It's dark, you know, so that's why you see the camera. I have a light now I use. And I drive on my way to the jetty. Go see if I can get some bait. I'm going to fish somewhere today because by the weather looks so bad today that I don't know where to fish today now. Can't do no trolling today because the weather bad. So I'm going to get some live bait or some bait to make some cut bait. You know, and go somewhere. I really want to go to Port Royal because Port Royal unproductive nowadays. But I'm going to see how it works out still. I don't know which part I go yet. But the first thing now is to get the bait and then make up my mind which part I go. But man, we're here now, people. As you can see, it's dark now, so I have to be using a light with the camera attached to me. So I saw I go on later on, alright? So I soon come back. Stay tuned. Fish on every time. I see some tarpon right here, so I cast some bait a while ago. I tell you, say, okay, where I go this morning? Water too rough, can't get to fish away. So I see some tarpon, I go and mess around with the tarpon them a little bit, you know. Yeah, so cast some little toffee. Toffee they might eat, you know. So I cast some toffee a while ago, so I set up the sand spike and things down there. Can't catch one. See them out there, see the top on them where it's at there. See the top on them, you know. Put it right here, so for the time being. Alright, now I just cast some toffee, you know. Some toffee them right here, so. Well, I see enough toffee. Come here, boy. So we can catch something with a little toffee here, see me? Put them in them eye. It's out. Out there, so you can see now if you pick up anything at all. Hey. Alright, see what rat here, that's so big? How are the rat here to me? This can't hold him. That's sin. This not gold, this not gold on top on the at all, brother. I can't tell you that. Not at all. Not at all. So no jack now, the man a little jack. Over there, so. Alright, red and white me are using it, so. Red and white are tarpon favorite color, so I mess around with the tarpon them still, you know. Them now go want this, you know, guess what? Them go want, I suppose I get a rocket trap, yeah. Rocket trap put a better, you know. Yeah, man. I change it and put on a rocket trap. Them like rocket trap because I look like a toffee. I'm gonna try that. Since I can't go do fishing nowhere else, you know, I go and ping pong yourself with the tarpon them. You know, them still going about them business still, you know, so just if you can find a rocket trap look like the top, look like they toughy them. Come on, man, don't hook up your hand. Sure. Hook up your hand, so brother. I said this can't go back in it. If you come out of it, then it can't go back in it. Put that on the ground now, man, you can't bother. See here, people, raffle trap. That's where this can do. Alright. Tarpon love the raffle trap. Anytime I throw it out there, anytime I throw it, tarpon take it up. I'll try it now. Well, I find my way over here to right because I see what action over here. From bird. Yeah, whole heap of bait. And whole heap of...
I like when bait in the water still, you know.
Yeah, and the jack them, some small jack can follow them, you know, look there.
That's why I like it.
Watch what I say, jack them the right to be behind them and follow them, you know. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy, blow, yo. No, I'm taking length. Come on, boy. Tarpon on. Come here. No, mash up my little reel. No, mash up my little reel.
Yo, you see them, man?
Come here, boy.
You don't see them? Look right there, so. Watch it.
Come here, boy. Tarpon on, boy. Oh.
So much of them in the water.
Me not have him in the oak, but that's the trouble now. So if I have him in the oak, everything would all good, you know? No, that's the trouble. I said for a while already, man. If my girl wants me to let him make him go and go back out to the nickel, you see it?
Yeah, if you see a killing down here, so Lord. Now look on them in the water, man. Watch it.
Watch a bird. What about the bird? I bet you just try something, man.
Watch it. They must feed, you know. Watch it.
Yeah, I'm big, you know?
I'm that.
Yeah,
I don't really off or something.
I don't want to hook. See me? You can't like him sell out the bait, you know, but a 30 pound leader, we have a what the fuck with it, brother. Lord, that's why them strong, you know?
Shot. Oh, you bringing me there? Come here.
And that was it?
Come here,
So come here, boy. Oh, yeah, come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Tarpon on, boy. Come here. When you come here, set the right, you're going to get him good.
Yes, man.
At the size of the fisherman. Yo, people, put the size of the tarpon. Put size tarpon, you see? A piece of pipe, then it can. Put the size of the fisher, people. Tarpon. It's hard to take it off now. Hold on. Come on, run again. Alright, you want a thing there? You can, which one you use? Right. The same one from Japan? Hmm? You're not a gaff? You're not a gaff? Down where down, sir?
Where car there, sir? Right by front.
Are you more this now, you see?
Yeah.
You're going to hold him, sir. Just don't try to take no, just hold him, you're going to go for a gaff. Don't bother try to reel it out, just make him go on. I'll go for my gaff because the man said he want the tarpon, so I'll make him have him. See? Alright. I haven't seen him here. Alright. Well, let's see, you have a gaff him. You know if you gaff him? Hold it good enough, don't make it left out the slip out of yard. Okay, I'm coming right, that's it. Me tell you when to do it.
Yo. Slice up today, it's a white.
The spirit saving, come on. Oh boy, come here. Don't go, don't go. Don't go. Right. Try this. Come here, tarpon. Not ready yet.
I can see this. This is you know.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Can't have me a fight so long, man.
Yeah, man, bless up to you to the one that keeps them tarpon catching and doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Catch up the top, man. Catch up the top. Hold on.
Where do you see that? Oh, that boat here, you know. Remember.
Let me show you.
Hey boy, you not dead yet.
You see me and him?
Yeah. Oh, you not take it. You not take it.
Top on hand, boy.
You not take it, Miller.
So you see that, people? This morning I come out and never see no bait, you know, and I drive all around the place. And I look for bait and I come right to my dock, my boat. So my boat over there, so, you know. And I carry some bait. See the top and then I turn and put on a live one and throw him out. And see the turnout, look at it. At the turnout that, you know, nice tarpon. So my virgin here, you give me, see me give my virgin the tarpon. So me I say, cause I don't really want a big tarpon that morning, you know, so I just do it for the fun of it. My giant virgin I say, I take him and I just give him. Cause I'm going to use it and eat it and everything. You see me I say? I'll cook it up and share it up. See me? So you know so it not go waste. I'm going to eat it and everything. And family and friend everybody will get tarpon. So you know it already. I'm going to put on the next bait so I can catch another one. I help me still, so if I catch another one now, you know so I'm not help. See the bait them, you know, so I catch some bait this morning. See them? Can't see them people look. Enough toughy, you know, watch it. Toughy like warriors, that's one. I put on another one and see if I can catch another one. Alright. Put him on, quick and throw. I catch a one for the fun night, you see me I say? Remember the little reel of myself, feel like it will mash up like this, you know, watch it. See it? Feel like it will mash up, it feel like it will mash up still, but trust me. It will mash up right now, we catch a fish. Alright, one more again, out there. Yeah, you know, say I pull in the bait a while ago, you know, and then I throw it back out and went to sink him, grab it. I saw me catch one there a while ago, you know, and while it out there lying down on the bottom, you know, no sir, and pick it up when it sink, and I saw me catch him.
But everything else name scale, the man using like a knife and cut him.
Dry him up some more, Right. Come on, come with me. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the time to go home now. Boy, I tell you. Time to go home now, people. Time to go home. Everything has to pull up. I'm not casting and everything, but you know what? You still to reach home, man. Just pull out everything and clean up everything. You see me I say? Yeah. Yeah, people, so that's enough, people. Yeah, man. Time to go home now. Boy, it was a nice little fight this morning. I come out this morning, boy, I see the breeze and I said, boy, I want to catch some fish. I have to catch a fish somewhere. I never know somebody don't really catch a tarpon, but just for the fun of it still. Because when I pass, I go all the way down to wreck ship, you know, and I see the water it stay. I know it's still rough still now, but I still going to look. So I said, boy, this look hopeless, I can't go now with a fish now, so better I go home. So on my way home, I look across the street and I dock the boat, and when I look, I see a whole leap. A bird, a dive, and whole heap of action, and whole heap of boiling up in the water. So I take out my casting stuff and go over because I have my casting stuff now. Go over up on the beach side, I cast some lure. I say, boy, I see the bait them come near to the shore. So I say, boy, no, run go for the cast set of the van, cast some bait, and I cast a good amount of toffee. Then I start throw it. I don't feel nothing over there, so I see the move, the action over the wreck. There's another wreck ship right here, so on the right alongside the road right here, so but I know it's still. And I just get one tough put on, throw it there, and when I throw it out, tap and take it. Good fight still, you know, so fighting for the fun of it still, but In my mind, I don't release him, you know, but this gentleman beside me, you know, I'm going to see him on the jetty from this morning. He come down here, so I see him again. And him saying, would I take him? So I say, alright, no problem. So I just give him the fish, you know, because see, I'm just shear it up a while ago. I'm shear it up a trade them a while ago, and I'm going to go cook it. See what I say? So, as I said before, I don't normally keep tarpon unless I go eat them. Or if somebody want them to eat, maybe give it to them. So I say, it's not a waste of food. And I can't, me not going to let go my food. And if a man want it, I not throw it back into the water and he want the food. You see what I say? So, that's some you stay, some you do it. Alright? So anyhow people, at Jamaica this, tarpon can't eat. Right? So we know enough people are going to say things, but so it go. But food the people might use it for. Alright people? So anyhow, like, share and subscribe, alright? And we'll see you guys in the next one. It's a fish on every time. We're out of here.